Fire safety is important to you, but choosing the right fire suppressant can be tricky. Thanks to CeaseFire's new online product catalog, 3D product visualization of their advanced fire suppressant technology makes it easy to select the right part the first time. Let's take a look. From CeaseFire's website, go to Products. Here, you can see an image of all the products and filter your choices based on the type of fire suppressant you need. Hover over the image of the product you'd like to preview. Click Options and Downloads, and then click 3D Preview and CAD. In this window, you can see a 3D preview of the product, which you can move, zoom, and rotate within the catalog. Now, you can get a free 3D CAD download of the product to test in your design. Go to the CAD Download tab, add your email, and click the CAD Download button. Here, you can choose from over 100 file formats and versions to download your part as a native CAD file. You can also download a 3D PDF datasheet that you can share with team members who don't have CAD access. Click Start Download. Now, you can test that part directly in your design to ensure a perfect fit and maximum fire safety. Thanks for watching. For more great parts and tips to choosing the best fire suppressant for your design, visit CeaseFire.com and check out PartSolutions.com to learn how your company can deliver a better digital customer experience.